कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। समथिंग इज़ रॉन्ग। समथिंग इज़ रॉन्ग। नहीं, कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं है। नो, नथिंग इज़ रॉन्ग। नो, नथिंग इज़ रॉन्ग। मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलती हूँ। आई विल कैच यू लेटर। आई विल कैच यू लेटर। वो क्या था? What was that? What was that? वो कुछ भी नहीं था। That was nothing. That was nothing. ऊपर जाओ। Go up. Go up. नीचे जाओ। Go down. Go down. धीरे चलो। Walk slowly. Walk slowly. सावधान रहो। Stay alert. Stay alert. इधर देखो। Look this way. Look this way. ये लो। Here you go. Here you go. अपना काम करो। Do your work. Do your work. यह तस्वीर लटका दो। Hang this picture. Hang this picture. उसे मत उकसाओ। Don't provoke him. Don't provoke him. मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं करूँगा। I won't put up with it. I won't put up with it. दिमाग पर जोर डालो। Rack your brain. Rack your brain. बुरा मत मानो। Don't be offended. Don't be offended. मेरी खातिर। For my sake. For my sake. मुझे सब पता है। I know everything. I know everything. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you pondering? What are you pondering? उसे ठीक करो। Fix it. Fix it. हमें कुछ चाहिए। We need something. We need something. उसे यहाँ लाओ। Bring him here. Bring him here. क्या यह सच है? Is this true? Is this true? मुझे बताओ। Tell me. Tell me. इसे वहाँ रखो। Put it there. Put it there. वह क्यों रो रहा है? Why is he crying? Why is he crying? मुझे मदद चाहिए। I need help. I need help. क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? यह बहुत बड़ा है। It is huge. It is huge. वह कब आ रहा है? When is he coming? When is he coming? इसे ध्यान से करो। Do it carefully. Do it carefully. वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? मुझे समय चाहिए। I need time. I need time. उसे अंदर बुलाओ। Call him inside. Call him inside. यह किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? क्या वह तैयार है? Is he ready? Is he ready? मुझे याद है। I remember. I remember. मुझे बुलाओ। Call me. Call me. उसे देखो। Look at him. Look at him. इसे अभी करो। Do it now. Do it now. वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? मुझे यह नहीं चाहिए। I don't want this. I don't want this. यह तुम्हारा है। This is yours. This is yours. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? हमें वहाँ जाना है। We have to go there. We have to go there. हमें जाना चाहिए। We ought to leave. We ought to leave. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? उसे जल्दी बुलाओ। Call him quickly. Call him quickly. क्या तुम आओगे? Will you come? Will you come? क्या आप आने वाले हैं? Are you going to come? Are you going to come? इसे वहीं रखो। Keep it there. Keep it there. हमें इंतज़ार करना है। We have to wait. We have to wait. उसने डकार ली। He burped. He burped. उसने बहुत जोर की डकार ली। He burped loudly. He burped loudly. वह मोटा हो गया है। He has gained weight. He has gained weight. वह पतला हो गया है। He has lost weight. He has lost weight. नौटंकी बंद करो। Stop the drama. Stop the drama. उसने दरवाज़ा जोर से पटका। He slammed the door. He slammed the door. कुंडी खोल दो। Open the latch. Open the latch. खराटे मत लो। Don't snore. Don't snore. तुम बहुत शोर कर रहे हो। You are making too much noise. You are making too much noise. तुम यहाँ क्यों खड़े हो? Why are you standing here? Why are you standing here? बेवजह परेशान मत हो। Don't worry unnecessarily. Don't worry unnecessarily. वह जल्दी आ जाएगा। He will come soon. He will come soon. मेरा पेट खराब है। My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. मेरी दादी को ऊंचा सुनाई देता है। My grandmother is hard of hearing. My grandmother is hard of hearing. ऐसा लगता है कि बारिश अभी होगी। It looks like rain. It looks like rain. कल बहुत जोर की बारिश हुई। It rained cats and dogs yesterday. It rained cats and dogs yesterday. यह सुनी सुनाई बात है। It is only a hearsay. It is only a hearsay. ऐसे बहाने यहाँ नहीं चलेंगे। Such excuses won't work here. Such excuses won't work here. मेरी उससे बोलचाल नहीं है। I'm not in touch with him. I'm not in touch with him. उसकी जान में जान आई। He breathed a sigh of relief. He breathed a sigh of relief. यह तुम्हारे भले की बात है। This is for your own good. This is for your own good. आपने मेरे मन की बात कह दी। You spoke my mind. You spoke my mind. तुमने सारा खेल बिगाड़ दिया। You ruined the whole game. You ruined the whole game. तुमने सब कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया। You messed up everything. You messed up everything. उसका गला बैठ गया है। His voice is hoarse. His voice is hoarse. वहाँ जाने का कोई लाभ नहीं है। It is not worthwhile going there. It is not worthwhile going there. यह बच्चा बड़ा प्यारा लगता है। This child seems really adorable. This child seems really adorable. तुमने मुझे 1 रुपया कम दिया है। You have given me 1 rupee short. You have given me 1 rupee short. And thank you for watching.